Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply fix GPU driver version error in Call of Duty Warzone. So let's start. The first thing you want to do in Call of Duty, just go here to your NVIDIA GeForce Experience, click here to drivers and check for updates, and if you have the newest driver and you have the GPU driver version error, right click on more and reinstall the driver. Try it. The next thing you need to do is go to Device Manager. When you will have it, you're gonna see display adapters, and I have like NVIDIA GeForce 2080 here. Right click on it, properties, then go to driver, and then what you want to do is simply just click update driver and search automatically for update driver. So this is pretty much how we do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask in down below in comments. And also guys, try to also update your computer for Windows updates. That's also really important. And that's pretty much it. So thank you everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.